Hi everyone, welcome back to English Chat Corner TV.
Today, we are going to show you a real-life English conversation in a daily situation.
In this episode, we go out for a simple walk, but something unexpected happens.
We suddenly realize that we are lost and we don't know the way back.
So we need to ask for help, talk to people, and use simple English in real situations.
Step by step, we try to stay calm, find directions, and solve the problem together.
This story will help you learn useful English phrases for asking directions and daily conversation.
So watch carefully, repeat after us, and practice with us. It's such a nice day today. The weather feels perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. I really enjoy days like this.
Yeah, I agree. It's one of those days where you just want to walk slowly and not think too much.
Exactly. No stress, no plans, just walking and talking. It feels very peaceful.
Sometimes we forget how important simple moments are. We are always busy, always thinking about something.
That's true. Today feels different. I feel relaxed, like I don't have to rush anywhere.
So let's keep it that way. No pressure, just enjoy the moment.
Yes, let's just enjoy the walk.
So, do you want to go somewhere specific, or should we just keep walking and see what we find?
I don't really have a plan today. I think it's more exciting to just explore.
You mean just walk and discover new places?
Yes, sometimes when you don't plan, you find interesting things.
That's true, but we should at least remember how to get back.
Don't worry, we won't get lost. We have our phones, right?
Yeah, that's true. Technology makes everything easier.
See? No problem at all. Let's just enjoy the adventure. Wait, Jonah.
What happened? Why did you stop?
I don't know. Something feels a little strange.
Strange? What do you mean?
This street, it looks unfamiliar. I don't remember seeing this before.
Now that you say that, I don't recognize it either.
Did we come from this way?
I thought we did, but now I'm not so sure.
That's not a good sign. Jonah, I think we made a mistake.
Let's not jump to conclusions yet. Maybe we just took a different path.
But everything looks different now. The buildings, the shops, even the street feels unfamiliar.
Okay, let's think carefully.
Jonah, I think we are lost.
All right, maybe we are, but it's okay. We can figure this out.
I'm starting to feel a little nervous.
That's normal, but don't worry. We're together, and we can solve this step by step.
Okay, let me check my phone. The map should help us.
Yes, that's the easiest way. Just follow the map and we'll be fine.
It's loading.
Take your time. It should work.
Wait, why is it so slow?
Maybe the internet connection is weak here.
That's not good. I really need it right now.
Try refreshing it. Maybe it will work better.
It's still not clear. I can't see our exact location.
All right, that makes things a little more difficult.
Now I'm really starting to worry. We don't know where we are, and the map isn't helping.
I understand how you feel. It's uncomfortable when you don't know what to do.
I thought it would be easy, just a simple walk.
Sometimes simple plans become complicated. It happens.
What should we do now? I don't want to walk in the wrong direction again.
Let's stop for a moment and think. We don't need to rush.
I don't like this feeling.
I know, but listen, we still have options. We can ask someone for help.
Ask someone in English?
Yes, it's a good chance to practice.
I feel a little shy.
That's okay. I'll help you. We can do it together.
There are some people over there. Maybe we can ask them.
Yes, that's a good idea. It's the fastest way to know where we are.
But I feel nervous. What if I say something wrong?
That's okay. You don't need perfect English. Simple words are enough.
What if they don't understand me?
Then we try again. Communication is not about being perfect, it's about trying.
Okay. Maybe I should try.
I'm right here with you. You're not alone.
All right. Let's do it together. Excuse me?
Yes? How can I help you?
We are lost.
We are trying to find the main road.
Yes, the main road. How can we go there?
Oh, I see. The main road is not far from here.
Not far?
Yes. You just go straight, then turn left at the corner.
Go straight, then left?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Jonah, did you understand everything?
I think so, but not 100%.
She said, go straight and then left, right?
Yes, but which corner? There are many corners here.
That's the problem. I'm not sure which one he meant.
Maybe we should try and see.
I don't want to make another mistake.
It's okay. Even if we make a mistake, we can fix it.
All right, let's try. Is this the right way? It doesn't look familiar at all.
Yeah, I also feel unsure.
Maybe we turned at the wrong place.
Let's think. Did he say the first left or the second left?
I don't remember clearly. I was too nervous.
It's okay. That happens when we feel pressure.
This is harder than I thought.
Yes, but we are learning something important right now.
Learning how to get lost?
No, learning how to stay calm and communicate.
Okay, that sounds better. I think we should ask someone again.
Good idea. And this time you can try again, but with more confidence.
More confidence. Okay, I'll try. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course.
We are looking for the main road. Can you help us?
Sure. Go straight for about 2 minutes, then you will see a big store. Turn right there.
Go straight 2 minutes. Big store. Then right?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That felt much better. I spoke more clearly this time.
Yes, you did great. You were calm and confident.
I think repeating the directions helped me understand better.
Exactly. That's a very good learning strategy.
I'm still a little nervous, but not like before.
That's progress. Step by step, you're improving.
Maybe getting lost is not so bad after all.
Sometimes getting lost helps us grow.
All right, let's try this direction again. with more confidence.
Yes, this time I believe we will find the right way.
Okay, go straight for 2 minutes. We need to watch carefully.
Yes, let's not rush this time. Let's observe everything around us.
I'm looking for the big store he mentioned.
Me too. Stay focused. We don't want to miss it.
Wait, Jonah, look over there.
Oh, I see it. The big store.
Yes, that must be it.
Good job. We are on the right path now.
He said, turn right at the big store, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Ah, I feel a little excited now.
Why?
Because this time, I understand everything clearly.
That's a great feeling, right?
Yes, before I was confused. Now I feel more sure.
All right, let's turn right and see where it takes us.
Wait, I know this place.
Really?
Yes, look at that cafe. We passed it earlier today.
You're right. I remember it now.
We're not lost anymore.
We found our way back.
I feel so relieved.
Me too. That was a small adventure.
At first, I felt really scared. I didn't know what to do.
I could see that. You were very quiet and worried.
Yes, my mind was full of questions. What if we can't find our way?
That's a normal reaction. Anyone would feel that way.
But now, I feel calm again, even happy.
Because you didn't give up. You faced the problem.
Yes, I think I did. You know, I learned something important today.
What did you learn?
I learned that it's okay to feel lost, not just in a place, but also in life.
That's deep.
At first, I wanted to avoid the problem. I felt shy to ask for help.
But you still did it.
Yes, and when I tried again, I felt more confident.
That's how learning works. Try, make mistakes, try again.
I finally told them my idea, and they approved the whole project on the spot. I still can't believe it.
I told you your voice deserved to be heard.
I also feel more confident speaking English now.
Really? That's great.
Before, I was afraid of making mistakes.
And now?
Now I think mistakes are okay. People still understand me.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
I will remember that. This walk started as something simple, then it became stressful.
And now it feels meaningful.
Yes, it's like a small life lesson.
Sometimes the difficult moments teach us the most.
I'm glad we got lost today.
That's not something people say every day.
But it's true. I learned, I tried, and I improved. If someone feels lost, what should they do?
First, stay calm. Don't panic.
Second, don't be afraid to ask for help.
Third, keep trying, even if it's not perfect.
And believe in yourself.
Because every small step makes you stronger.
Today, I was lost.
But you found your way.
Not just the road, but also my confidence.
And that's the most important thing.
Don't be afraid to try. Even simple English can take you far.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up.